Good morning, children. Some of you have tried singing the patriotic song. Let's sing it further today after the prayer. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. I'm just going to revise the first paragraph and then we'll go to the second paragraph. So the song is आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए साकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए साकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. अभी ध्यान से सुनिए. उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है. उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है. दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है. दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है. जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है. जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है. बाट बाट में हाट हाट में यहाँ निराला ठाठ है. बात बात में हाथ हाथ में यहाँ निराला ठाठ है. So you'll sing it like this. उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है. दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है. जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है. बाट बाट में हाट हाट में यहाँ निराला ठाठ है. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए साकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. So this much you will try to sing. Take a video recording and send it to me. Now we'll do English. Come to page number 73. Page number 73. So we had read the chapter until this part. I'll just read it further, explain you the chapter, and then we'll read the whole chapter again. Joy ran after Tommy, but he could not catch Tommy. Joy कहाँ गया? He ran after Tommy. वो Tommy के पीछे भागा, लेकिन could he catch Tommy? No, he couldn't catch Tommy. Oh, Tommy is lost, cried Joy. Tommy गुम हो गया. Joy sat on a stone and sobbed. वो एक जगह पे बैठ गया एक पत्थर के ऊपर और वो बहुत रोया. Sobbed मतलब बहुत रोना. Tommy's gone and I'm lost. What will I do? He cried. वो अपने दिमाग में क्या सोच रहा था कि टॉमी गुम हो गया और मैं भी टॉमी चला गया और मैं भी गुम हो गया. अब मैं क्या करूं? Then Joy saw Tommy coming back soon. Joy hugged Tommy and cried in joy. उसके बाद उसने थोड़े टाइम में देखा कि टॉमी आ रहा है एंड उसने क्या किया? टॉमी को हग किया और बहुत रोया. I'm still lost but I have you, he said. उसने क्या बोला? मैं अभी भी गुम गया हूं लेकिन अब मेरे पास टॉमी भी है. तो he is not alone. Don't worry, Joy. I know the way, said Tommy. Tommy ने क्या बोला? डरो मत, मुझे उस रास्ता मालूम है. We'll go and Tommy and Joy reached home safely. तो वो लोग फिर घर safely पहुंच गए. Okay? Now I'm going to just read this story once more. Tommy is lost. Once there was a boy. His name was Joy. Joy had a dog. The dog's name was Tommy. Joy liked Tommy very much. Joy said, "Come, Tommy, let's go for a walk. It is very hot. We will go to the pond." Joy and Tommy began to walk. The pond was inside a forest. Suddenly, Tommy saw a fox passing by. Tommy ran after the fox. "Stop, Tommy, stop!" shouted Joy. But Tommy did not stop. Joy ran after Tommy, but he could not catch Tommy. "Oh, Tommy is lost!" cried Joy. Joy sat on a stone and sobbed. "Tommy is gone and I am lost. What will I do?" he cried. Then Joy saw Tommy coming back soon. Joy hugged Tommy and cried in joy. "I'm still lost, but I have you," he said. "Don't worry, Joy, I know the way," said Tommy. "We'll go." And Tommy and Joy reached home safely. You all will read the chapter, the whole chapter, take a video and send it to me. After that, come to this question where it's written, find the rhyming words from the story. There are a few words given. यहाँ पे 5 words दिए गए हैं. ये वर्ड्स स्टोरी में नहीं है, लेकिन ये वर्ड्स क्या राइमिंग वर्ड स्टोरी में है जो आपको ढूंढना है. ओके, सो आई जस्ट हेल्प यू विथ वन एंड देन द रेस्ट यू ऑल विल डू. अभी फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? बॉक्स. बॉक्स का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या क्या हो सकता है? ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट हियर. डू वी हैव एनी राइमिंग वर्ड इन दिस? नॉट इन दिस सेंटेंस. We will go to the pond. नहीं, इधर भी नहीं है. So what is the rhyming word here? Fox. Box का rhyming word क्या आएगा? Fox. So what will you write out here? You will write fox. Okay. So here you will write fox. After that, second will be pot. Third is say. Fourth is boy. And fifth is pan. So you will find these rhyming words in the passage. And then you will write the answers. Okay. After that, let's just solve these 2 questions out here. Who was Joy? Okay. First question. Who was Joy? आप क्या लिखेंगे? Once there was a boy Joy. So what will you write? Joy was a boy. Whom did Joy like very much? Joy किसको ज्यादा पसंद करता था? So Joy had a dog. The dog's name was Tommy. Joy liked Tommy very much. तो कौन था? Tommy. So here you will write, whom did Joy like very much? Joy liked Tommy very much. Okay. So this you will write in your red and blue line book. This you will finish it out here. Write your name, take a picture and send. Question 3, 1 and 2 you will write in your red and blue line book. Take a picture, write your name and send it to me. Okay, so 3 things for English. Now you all will open your coloring books. Come to, we have finished the 5th page. Now come to the 6th page. Okay, as how we have done earlier, we are going to do it in a similar way. Where O is written, you will do orange. So let's just finish all the O's first. Slowly. R is red. Y is yellow. CR is cream. Y is yellow. D blue is dark blue. L blue is light blue. Okay, after coloring all orange, we'll take another color. Let's take yellow. So here we have to do yellow. After doing the face with cream color, DG is dark green. Hence you will take out dark green from your clear crayon box and color this dark green. And last part is left where it's mentioned BR, which is brown in color. Okay, this is how it's going to look. It's a scarecrow. What is it? It's a scarecrow. Don't forget to write your name, take a picture and send it to me. Now we are going to do maths. We are going to do number names from 81 to 90. We have already finished the number names till 80. Okay, so in your maths book you are going to write this 8181 EIGHTY 80-1 ONE 1. 82 EIGHTY TWO 2. 83 EIGHTY and 3 THREE 3. 84 EIGHTY 80 4 FOUR. 85 EIGHTY 80 and 5 FIVE 5. Then we have 86 EIGHTY 80 SIX 6. 87 EIGHTY 80 SEVEN 7. 88 EIGHTY 80 EIGHT 8. 89 EIGHTY 80 NINE 9. And 90 NINETY 90. Okay, so 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. You will write in your maths book, take a picture and send it to me. That's what you need to do for maths. Now for EVS, come to page number 72. Page number 72. The topic's name is sculpture. What is the topic's name? Sculpture. Now if you have noticed, we have already done this. So paperwork में 3 parts है: tearing, crumbling and folding. Okay, we've already done tearing as one activity when we had done the crown of Ravana. We tore the yellow paper and we stuck on this. After that we have already also done crumbling, where we had made the butterfly out of crumbling newspaper. Okay, so these two are already done. You all can practice with whatever other shapes or objects at home. आप practice कर सकते हो घर में कोई भी अलग shape और objects के साथ. Now the third one here is folding, which we will do today. Now we have these sheet of papers. Okay, the origami sheet of paper. Take out any 2 colors. कोई भी 2 colors निकाल लीजिए आप. Okay, take something with which you can make a circle on the sheet. Okay, after making the circle you need to cut the circle. Make it on both the sheets. Okay, after making the circle you need to take your scissors and cut the circle. Slowly and gradually you will cut the circle. If you are not able to cut it प्लीज आस्क एन अडल्ट इन द हाउस. कोई भी, जो भी अडल्ट आपके घर में है, जो भी बड़ा है, जो सिजर चलाना जानता है, प्लीज उसका हेल्प लीजिए. डू नॉट कट if there is no adult in the house. So you will cut along the line in the form of a circle. Go very slow while cutting. Just the way we have cut this, now we are going to cut with the other color also. It's a very fun activity. Everybody will enjoy doing this. So what are we going to make out of this? We are going to make a small shopping bag. Okay. Okay, after cutting this, we need to fold it into half. Make sure both the circles are the same size. Okay, both the circles need to be of the same size. So we need to make it into half. And then, so we have two half circles out here. After that, we just need to put one of them inside the other and this way. Okay, and when this opens like this, you will tie a string out here. So this will be your shopping bag. Okay. Okay, so when we have these two circles, we need to apply little Fevicol. Make sure that you don't apply a lot of Fevicol, okay? So it has to come in this shape. Okay, after holding like this, just apply little Fevicol on this side. Okay, and just press it. And on the other side, turn it and apply little Fevicol on the inside part. On the inside part. Okay. So, and then just press it. After doing this, you will find that there is one hollow thing out here. Okay. And then I have one strap which is cut out here. So you will just stick this strap like this. Okay. And this is how it will look. Okay. So again, we'll just apply little Fevicol out here. A drop of Fevicol on both the sides. And we'll stick this. Okay, and this is how our small folding shopping bag is ready. Okay, You can keep it like this also, or you can even stick it from one side little bit on your drawing book so that you do not misplace it. Or you can even just hold it like this. You can decorate here by making a flower or making any other design that you like and keep it in your book. Okay, nicely keep it in your book out here. Okay, so that's how the folding paper shopping bag looks like. You can use the paper colors whichever you like from the origami sheets which are being given to you all. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.